Welcome to Just Make Money. Just Make Money is a platform where you get a very professional outlook about any financial market, be it equity market, currency market, gold, oil, or anything else. Anything that is traded on any exchange in the world, you can have a very professional outlook about that right from the trading desk. Today we are going to talk about international market. International market which comprises mainly of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, dollar index, gold, and oil prices, and how they look like, and how they have been in the previous some of the weeks, and how they look like from today on. Today is a very crucial day as CPI, that is the inflation report, inflation print is going to come out from the US. And although the policymakers, they are quite certain that they are not going to increase the interest rates in the same pace which they have been doing for the last couple of months, but they will be taking sort of a lenient view of the inflation print which is going to come out today. All you have to do is to just listen to our analysis and try to match with what you have, or even if you do not have, you can trust it. You can trust it because this analysis comes to you from a person who has been advisors to, or who is an advisor to HNIs, NRIs, and corporates, meeting their investment needs, trading needs, and hedging needs. I, Sumeet Kumar, with an experience of more than 25 years in the international and domestic markets, I'm going to provide you this information about how international markets relating to Dow Jones, Nasdaq, currency, that is dollar index, gold, and crude oil looks like. First of all, we'll go with equity market, how the Dow Jones index looks like. But first of all, we'll also look at how they were in the previous weeks. This is a price chart of Nasdaq, which was around 11,200 something some weeks back, that is in the month of November. They have been trading quite above 11,000 and something in the range of 11,200, 300 like that. Nasdaq is deeply impacted because of interest rates, because a lot of technology companies are there which get impacted because of higher interest rates. A lot of companies, they are not making any money, but they are listed on Nasdaq, and any interest rate hikes impacts their borrowing capacity, payout capacity, and their profitability, if any, which a lot of them do not have. I'm talking about internet companies. That's why Nasdaq is stagnant. Now, this one is of current week that we see. Nasdaq is around 11,000 as closed on Friday the last, counting from today, and it is still in downward trending mode. You can see from the channel that I have drawn, it is still in the downward trending mode. Now, Nasdaq at the most can go to say 12,800 or so, if there is some favorable outcome, or say because of month-end rally. Now, to move it more than that, to move above more than 12,800, 12,500, it will need a lot of positives from the central bankers. Then only is going to go up, and that will come from the cutting of the rates, which is not likely to come immediately. So hope that Nasdaq is going to remain under 12,800, or in round figure if I talk about, then under 13,000. Now this is the price chart of Dow Jones Industrial. Now Dow Jones Industrial was quite similar to the downward sloping pattern of Nasdaq, but it has broken out. Now this price chart that you see, is not the recent one, but of previous month, that is in the month of November. It's a weekly price chart. and you can see that the upper range has been breached around say 30,000, 32,500 or something. It was breached and it had touched close to 34,000 something, 34,000 say 500, and again it was trending towards say 33,500 or something as per the closing of last Friday. Quite a bit of chance is there that Dow Jones can come back to say 32,500 as indicated by our arrow, red arrow, and that will be the best buying price for Dow Jones if it comes to that level. If there is a possibility, but that is the maximum it can go. So all in all, as far the index is concerned, international market indices are concerned, Dow Jones looks quite in upward mode. Nasdaq is consolidating and come inch and move inch up. Inch up means slowly it can move inch up towards say 12,000, 12,500. Slowly, it will take time to move up. But being the last month of the year, December, there can be a bit of Christmas rally for technology stocks. So let's hope so. Now we are moving to dollar index. Dollar index, this is a previous month chart, and you can see it had hit a high of say 115 roughly, and thereafter it started correcting. We had given a call that dollar index would correct, and we had also given a call that where it can go, and it's moving exactly according to that. If you can see our previous videos or the videos of currency market that we are providing on a regular basis, then you will find that we are giving quite a correct picture of dollar index. After touching 115, it stayed above 109 for some time, and then last month it breached 109, stayed around 104 for quite a bit of time. Right now it is around 100, somewhere between 104 and 105. This is a previous month chart, all right? So from a lower range, it had moved to a different kind of a range which was supposed to be between 110 and 115, but it has again come back under 109 to 101 range as indicated by various arrows. All right, so the latest picture of dollar is here, dollar index is here. You can see that it is around 104, somewhere between 104 and 105. So it has come back to the low range, and you will find that dollar index as indicated by various arrows should be in the range of 102 and 108. As of now, this is what it looks like. It needs to consolidate here for some time. We don't see it going below 102 or 101, and we don't see it running up more than 109 either. So let's say 108, 109 should be the resistance for dollar as of now. Now this is the price chart of crude oil, NYMEX traded crude oil. And we had told you that the moment it goes below 85, it is in downward trend. It has clearly broken the uptrend line. It has clearly broken that. And it has remained there for quite some time. This is a previous month chart. The latest one is here. As per the arrows indicated, you can see that NYMEX crude can go to say close to 60 to the downside. 60 is the cap as set by the Western countries for Russian oil. And this is what it looks like in the technical chart also. In the upside, it will go to say 95 maximum, which is less likely to happen. This is about gold. Gold, as we had told you, this is the previous month's chart for gold. We had told you that gold should be looking downside because of strength in dollar. and it had remained below this trend line for quite some time. But as per the latest trend line, you'll see that it has again come up. It has again come up above the trend line which it had broken, and now it is close to say 1700. So gold should be doing fine as of now, and moreover, it's a safe haven, and so a lot of people will be moving to gold during the year end. So hope gold is going to be in the range of say 1700, 1750 for some time. This is what it looks like for gold. We had given a bearish call for gold as per the previous chart. It had remained there for quite some time, but again it has come up. So we have been somewhat wrong in giving a call for gold. This is a safe haven move for gold, and we expect it to remain over here for some time. For some time means at least till mid of January. So this was our call about various financial markets in the international scene that we had given to you, and I hope you have got some very concise and short picture, but very confirmed picture, because we have never tried to give you the data and other sort of informations, what should be for you, what you should do in those data, and how should you decipher those data. We have not given to you that. All we have given to you is what it looks like according to us, taking into picture the fundamental factors and the technical factors. So all you have to do is just to rely on what we are providing, because this comes to you directly from the trading desk of professionals. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have liked this video as you have liked the previous ones. You can access our video on currency and equity market. This is the third series that we are providing on international market. The previous ones were for currency market and equity market. You can access that, and you can take your call based on our analysis. If you have liked our video, we will suggest that you like it, you share it with people of concern, and you subscribe it so that you get the timely updation of the same. Thank you, and see you again. Thank you.